Welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make egg sandwich. For this, I have taken 4 boiled eggs. Cut it like this. Heat a pan. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heated, add 3 sliced onions. Saute it few seconds. Add half teaspoon of salt. Now close it and cook around 3 to 4 minutes. Now the onions are soft. At this time add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until raw smell goes away. Now add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute it around 2 to 3 minutes. Now take 2 bread slices. Spread the onion masala over the bread. Add eggs over the masala. Spread the onion masala on another bread too. Close it and apply butter on outside of the bread and toast it. Now we will see 3 methods of toasting sandwich. First we will see how to make it in dosa pan. Heat a dosa pan. Now place the sandwich and press it gently. Cook around 30 seconds on each side. Another method is electric griddle. Preheat the electric griddle for 3 minutes if it is 1000 watts. Otherwise preheat around 5 minutes. Now place the sandwich in the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Another method of cooking is take place in the oven. Keep the sandwich in the grill rack. Set it as grill mode. Cook around 4 to 5 minutes in high temperature. Take it out and flip the sandwich, then cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Cut it diagonally. Now the egg masala sandwich is ready. Please try this at your home. Post your feedback, like and share the video. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.